Hi there, Miss Marci here. This week I have a book all about rain. We've been having lots of rain here in Cleveland, Tennessee, so I thought it might be fun for us to read about it. The book Rain is written by Marion Dane Bauer and illustrated by John Wallace. Rain. The day is hot. The sun shines bright, the flowers wilt, and the grass goes limp. Even the birds are still, and then a gray cloud covers the sun. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops go larger and larger. Then they bump into one another. They grow so heavy that they fall. Rain. The flowers drink, the grass drinks. The birds drink, and the world is fresh and clean. The sun comes out again, bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air. Into the sky, into that cloud up there. And then the tiny drops of water gather into clouds again, and the drops grow heavy and heavier and heavier until rain falls once more. And the whole world smiles. Right here are some fun facts about rain. It takes millions of cloud droplets to form one raindrop. The first drops of rain that fall are larger than later ones because the heaviest fall first. I wonder why the heaviest raindrops fall first. Raindrops are different shapes and sizes. Small ones are round like bouncy balls, and bigger ones flatten out on the bottom as they fall, so their sides bulge out. Even in summer, many raindrops start out as ice crystals because they are very high in the air and it's cold. If the weather down on the ground is warm, the ice melts and turns into water as it falls. Did you know that scientists can make a cloud rain by dropping chemicals like dry ice into them? The ice crystals encourage each other and they begin to join together, and when enough get together, it gets heavy and they fall. The water we have here on Earth is all the water we have. We must use the same water over and over and over again. First it's water, then it's rain or it's snow, and then it turns into water again. That is why it's important that we keep our lakes and our rivers and our oceans clean so that we have clean water.